Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will be building the Heroes Assemble Ironman car. That's it. Okay, let's get started. I have finished this Iron Man Lego. So first we have Iron Man. He's really cool. He has some blades here that he's flying with. He's holding onto some stuff. He has a really nice outfit, and this thing right here can open up, and you can see his face. And yeah. Next is the car. So you see this, it can move. The wheels are quite rough, but the best part about it is that it has this. Like this. If you do it like this, it looks like the car is just starting. And this is a thing that is meant to be there to push that button all the time. But this thing, the button will just basically push it back, so there's no point, and this thing will fall. So there's no point in that. If you've liked this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, click the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.